civic society initiative taken by a group of citizens held a press conference urging people to vote and to make informed choices. The group emphasized on the importance of voting and doing proper research before casting ballots. The aim is to increase the voters' turnout on May 10 for the upcoming Karnataka Assembly elections. Entities from this group stressed on doing ample of research before casting the vote to any political party and holding the relevant departments responsible for their actions if any. Crowd-funded initiative anticipates distributing 2 lakh pamphlets across the state to reach a broader audience, and a social media campaign was launched too.
We are a group of citizens. For example, I am a banker. By profession, there is an aerospace engineer researcher, there's 2 students, and one of them is an influencer in YouTube. We all wanted to come together for something important before the voting starts. We think that if you think of a corporate or something like a manager, you think when somebody is working under you, you evaluate them after a year, right? How you perform. That is how you decide your increment or you decide your promotion. Exactly the same way, we public are actually the managers, and really those who are public servants are really who are employed by us for doing public service. So what we want people to do is to go back in this very confusing time when there is too much of news reports, there is lots of lies, propaganda, etc. happening, and many of them are only going to tell what they have done right or what they're going to do right. We are encouraging people, and that's why it's called vote wisely, is to have information and make sure that they are making that based on that information, they're able to go and vote. Think whether the work they are doing is up to the mark. Will they vote because of the work which has been done? Because at this point of time, the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will only hear good things, sometimes allegations, etc. There is very little time to make judicious, informed decision. That's what we are focusing on. What we are doing is we are doing the press note. We are asking journalists to spread this awareness of voting wisely with information. The second one we are doing, we have a website where people can go and have a look and take some informed decision. All media reports, we have put the manifesto, affidavits of people. The third thing we are doing, we are actually distributing pamphlets, and we are also using social media to reach out to as many people. One thing we are wanting to tell people is vote wisely. Take your time, think about all the things which have happened in a few years and see what rating you will give for each individual. That's the main objective of this press note.